10 bizarre real estate listings people thought were fine to post. Ideally, when a house hits the real estate market, curious residents from the surrounding area are either jumping at the chance to move in or at least take a peek during an open house. Yet not all home listings are created equal. In fact, some of them are so hard to sell that agents practically have to beg people to live in them, let alone buy them. Take a walk through these homes and you'll wonder why anyone would ever want to live in them. Before we get started, take a moment to please subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, and give us a like. Number 1. The Nightmare Listing. When this quaint home in Case, South Carolina went viral, it was listed with this description. Upstairs apartment cannot be shown under any circumstances. Buyer assumes responsibility for the month-to-month tenancy in the upstairs apartment. Occupant has never paid and no security deposit is being held, but there is a lease in place. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Please don't bother asking. As it turned out, the upstairs was being lent to 70-year-old artist Randall McKissick by his friend Michael Schumpert Sr., who had recently fallen on hard times. His pal was just doing him a favor. Nevertheless, the home hasn't had much of a draw with its complicated listing. Number 2. The Racist Listing. This home in Sydney, Australia was listed with a troubling description. This is a most convenient, supreme, exclusive, peaceful, safe, quiet, friendly neighborhood location. Most are high-paid intellectual professionals and business owners are living on this street and well-respected neighborhoods. What you saw many Middle Easterners around shopping, they're doing business here, but they're not local. The language came under fire when the description went viral, and the realtor quickly changed the language. Still, they continued to have trouble selling the property. Number 3. The Panda Bear Tactic. When trying to sell a home that needs some additional help, agents will often resort to some pretty kooky tricks to get attention to it. In an effort to do that for her listing in Spring, Texas, realtor Jessica Arnett dressed in a panda costume and sat on the porch of the $199,000 home. In the end, it paid off and she successfully sold the home later that month. Number 4. The Nightmarish Clown Home. Featuring upwards of 1,500 clown photos, statues, and varying toys, this Ontario, Canada home has somehow managed to attract the attention of several would-be buyers. Yes, that's in spite of its Stephen King's It Meets Harry Potter's Professor Umbridge vibe. It turned out that there was actually a heartwarming story behind the clown mania, according to Michael McCannis, whose mother and stepfather own the home. In an effort to get her husband to stop drinking, Michael's mother added a clown for every bottle of booze he'd have purchased if he hadn't quit. Number 5. The Not Haunted House Home. When realtor Jeff Mason listed this rough and tumble looking home in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, there was very little interest. That's when he decided to come up with a tongue-in-cheek approach to garner some attention. After getting the permission from the owner, Jeff bought a plastic sign that read "Not Haunted" and tacked it onto the for sale sign in the front yard. Additionally, he rewrote the listing to state sprawling front porch that can barely hold itself up, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath without a bath, and a kitchen has been fully removed for your convenience as there are enough restaurants downtown. Unfortunately, the home is yet to sell. Number 6. The Creepy Skeletal Remains Approach. If you've ever looked at real estate in the San Francisco Bay Area and came across a home listing with a photo of a skeleton in a chair or a bathtub, there's a good chance CC Blase was the agent responsible. Scully, as he's been nicknamed, is CC's pretty outlandish calling card. She does this as a means to separate her listings from other similar ones in the neighborhood, although she's sure to remind the buyers that she does not come with any of the homes. Check out these other videos from Let Me Know. If you haven't made the move to subscribe to our channel, all you need to do is click on that red subscribe button. Thank you for watching.